Now we will be discussing some of the aggregate functions such as count, sum, average, minimum and maximum. So first is the count function. This function will return the count of the expression that you have mentioned. For example, if you want to find out the number of sales that you have done, you can count the number of sales line that you have. So to get the total number of sales that you are having. Or if you want to find out the count of customers with names starting with A, then again count function will help you. So the syntax of count function is you select the column names. If you want count will be written as count and then you give the column name of the column of which you want the count. So it will count the number of non-null values in that column. After it has applied the condition. So if you are mentioned anywhere clause, it will check the condition. And after that, if there is any non-null value in the particular column which were mentioned after the count, it will give that particular count as well. So let us look at some of the examples to understand this. So the first example where I have written select count star from sales, it will go to the sales table and it will look at all the records and it will give back the count of all the rows in that particular table. So let us go and write this in our pgadmin. So as you can see, I have already written this command select count star from sales. Now remember that I put the star within the bracket. Whatever column name you want to mention, you have to put it into bracket from sales. Sales is the table name. So after selecting this command, I will run this. This is the total count, but if you notice the column name is written as count. This may not make any sense to anyone who looks at this count. That is why we will be using aliases and mention count star as the code as the total count of sales, something like that, so that we get the right column name. Now imagine if you want to find out how many orders that particular customer has given and how many products that particular customer has ordered. So go and look at the sales table. So by doing just select star from sales, so for example, the first customer with customer ID CG12520, it has two entries on the top. Those two entries have the same order ID, which means it was a single order in which two different products were ordered. So the product ID in both these two rows is different. If I want to find out count of all the orders that this particular customer has given and the count of different product that this customer has ordered, so I will start typing select and select the count of order line. So each separate order line is giving me the number of products that the particular customer has ordered. So I name this as number of products ordered. And then we will find out the count of order IDs. So distinct order ID, if I do not write distinct, repetitive order IDs will be counted as well multiple times. So we will write it as number of orders, and this will be from the table sales, where our customer ID is CG-12520. Now select this query and run it. So you can see the column names are the one that we provided, and the particular customer ordered 3 times. He gave 3 orders, but one or more of this order has multiple products in it. So the total number of products ordered by this customer is 5. So now in our next video, we will look at how to use this sum function.